I can't reach you, my sexy Mona Lisa. Can't tell if you gon' leave here or if you wanna stay. Girl, just ease up. Don't feel about to see you. You say that you a freak up, but fall asleep, babe. But you perfectly dysfunctional, you crazy like my mama. Girl, you killing me, but you won't see me with another lover, baby. Just a little loco, like boats in Acapulco. I'm just riding away, baby. Just a little loco, emotions like a yo-yo. I love you that way. There's something about a crazy love. Dysfunctional, you crazy like my mama. Girl, you killing me, but you won't see me with another lover, baby. Just a little loco, like boats in Acapulco. I'm just riding away, baby. Just a little loco, emotions like a yo-yo. I love you that way, yeah. Especially know you crazy like my mama.
This dance is Sexy Mona Lisa, choreographed by Niels Paulson. It's a 32 count 4-wall line dance. Second one, starting with the right foot Charleston. Step forward, kick, back, touch, walk forward, right, left, rock, forward, recover. Section 2, jump back, out, out, right, left, clap, jump back, out, right, left, clap, bump hips, right, left, right, left. Section 3, side rock, recover, behind side cross, side rock, recover, behind side cross. Last section, side rock as you recover, make a quarter turn left to face 9, shuffle forward, right, rock forward, recover, step back on left, touch right together. Weights on my left and facing 9 o'clock, ready to start over with the Charleston. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, and 3, 4. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the whole dance.